Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome to my show Learn Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you an important lesson, so please focus with me. But before I start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. Are you ready? Let's begin. The lesson entitled How Can You Pronounce the Alphabet in Arabic? I teach you in the last lesson how can you pronounce del and del and ro and they. And today we'll teach you how can you pronounce the next letter sin. How can we pronounce sin? Sin in Arabic it's equal C in English. When I say sky, space, seen in Arabic equal is in English. Sheen. How can pronounce this letter? Sheen equal SH in English. When I say shark, shadow. After them, shod. How can pronounce this letter? You can notice shod. It's a heavy sound of seen. Shod. After them, God.